When purchasing a balsamic from the bevy of options you might see in a store, there are several ways to ensure that you are taking home a bottle that is high quality and will combine perfectly with the dishes for which it will be used.
You'll be choosing between the matured balsamic, which is light-bodied and blends seamlessly into recipes for cooked foods, and the aged, which is ideal for salads, drizzled onto fruit and desserts, or into cocktails.
True balsamic will be dark brown, clear and brilliant, with a bittersweet and balanced flavor and a gorgeous scent, with, depending on producers, woody overtones.
Always look at how a balsamic vinegar is made. The authentic balsamic vinegar of Modena has a very particular process that is certified by a third-party controlling body to ensure its quality and origin. The PGI label indicates that the balsamic is produced with a level of structure and if it's aged or not. The packaging will bear the words Aceto Balsamico di Modena and have a protected geographical indication. The production and the maturation in wooden containers must take place in the provinces of Modena and Reggio Emilia, and the grape must use for crafting the balsamic will only be from vines you may recognize from Italian wines Lambrusco, Sangiovese, Trebbiano, Albana, Anciolotta, Fortana and Montini.
Which one you buy depends on what you're using it for. The age is great on its own or to use on a finished recipe. Like a fine wine, it can be its own finished product. The classic is a little more versatile for cooking. For a plate of dessert, I typically use a younger balsamic because I don't want it to become too intense and overpower the dish.
You also want to be clear about how you're going to use it. If you're purchasing just one, you want to find a balsamic that's in the middle range of aging, so you can use it for a lot of different things. If it's been aged for more than 3 years, then it can boast the age classification.
You want the authentic product, which is vibrant and pure.
Balsamic is a precious ingredient that is highly valued by professional chefs, home cooks, and food lovers everywhere.